Hello again, moving on with our Binary Options Academy project here. It is the second part on how to trade a running triangle with or in the binary options industry, and the running triangle appears mostly on the currency markets as they are open 24/7 if you want, even over the weekend. Even though the markets are actually closed, you never know how they will open on Monday, with a gap, with no gap, and so on and so forth. We gave an example of classical bullish running triangle here, and we said that by the time the B2D trend line is broken here, we should engage into trading call options with the expiration date being adjusted based on the time frame that the triangle appeared on. I would like to show you a triangle of this kind, and this is the Great Britain pound and Canadian dollar. Here is the theory, here is the application in practice. We said that the triangle appears after a bearish trend, so it's mandatory to have a bearish trend or a move to the downside here, that you have the impression that is never going to be retraced, and so on and so forth. And then market goes and forms a triangle from where this is the beginning of the triangle, or the X wave of the same degree if you want. So this should be the X wave. And this will be the beginning of a triangle. And then we have what? Then we have wave A to the downside. Wave A in our case is ending here, not necessarily at the lows, but here. Why here? It is the only possible place for wave A to end in order for the B wave to go and completely retrace wave A, because we need a move higher than the beginning of the triangle in here, like this. Then we have the B wave, so A and the B, then the C wave all the way to the downside. And it's crucial to know where the C wave is, because the C wave is definitely not ending at the lows. Why? In order to be completely retraced, it should end as well with the triangle that it's still running. So from my point of view, it is ending, in this case, it is ending right here. This will be the A and C trend line of a lower degree, of course, and this would be, and they got a contract, remember, like this would be the B2D trend line, like this. So the end, the actual end of the triangle will be here. So this will be the end of the C wave in here, and therefore the A and C trend line should be pierced on this level from here all the way to the end of the C wave. This will be the A and C trend line, and I will make it in blue as per our theory on the right side. If this is the A and C trend line, and if you copy the trend line and you put it on top of wave B, this is the maximum angle that should give us the D wave to the upside. But as you can see, the move here with the D wave goes and makes a series of 3 lower highs. So we have a high, then a lower high, then a lower high. This is the prerequisite of a contracting triangle, and it means that the B2D trend line ends right, it looks exactly here, making the triangle to contract, and therefore making this to be the B2D trend line. Then what did we say? We say that we need a triangular formation then of a lower degree to form here and to end above the X wave. So this is our triangular formation, or the E wave to the downside. And then by the moment the B2D trend line is being broken is the place we should engage into buying call options, and call options only in this case. This being binary options trading, we should look for the expiration date as being according to the time frame. This is a 4-hour chart, so trading end of week, trading 1 week expiration date, or even trading end of month expiration date if you are at the beginning of the month or in the second half of the month as well, would be appropriate, because such patterns, such triangles appear as the end of complex correction. So normally you are looking for market to retrace then all the way to the beginning of the complex correction. That will be your real target, or where the market is going. In our case, the market should go all the way to 1.95 and we are something like 1.89 in here, at least for the time being. Another opportunity will be related to the fact that this is a non-limiting triangle, and usually they are retested. What does it mean retested? It means that by the time the B2D trend line is broken, market comes and retests it before anything. So that would be a nice place to add to the long side, or to add another call option in the so-called two related trades. Thank you very much for being here, and have a great day. Make sure you check on our projects on the Binary Options Academy. We have a lot of interesting stuff in there. Bye bye.